हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम मैथमेटिक्स क्लास 6 की पढ़ेंगे। चैप्टर 1 है नेचुरल नंबर्स और इसकी एक्सरसाइज 1 की स्टडी ढंग से करेंगे। हम आज नेचुरल नंबर्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। नेचुरल नंबर्स आर दोज नंबर विच इज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. That means natural numbers starting from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But 0 is not natural numbers. That 0 is not natural numbers. So our natural numbers excluding 0, only the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Now come to the exercise 1. How can solve this exercise? So as you have seen, on your screen, the exercise number 1. Which is the smallest natural number? The smallest natural number is 1. That is the smallest natural number. That is the first question answer. Which is the smallest natural number? The smallest natural number is 1. Now come to the second question. Second question number, this one. Which number is greater minus 41600 or 41600 and 6? Always remember, the positive number is always greater than negative number. So we can write, how can write? This number is greater number. 41006 is the greater number in this. Now come to the fill in the blanks. How can solve the fill in the blanks? Your third question. In third question, you can see here 45 is always greater than 21. We put the three symbols, that is the greater than, less than and equal to sign. So 45 is greater than 21. So we can put this type of sign. Here is 4, 5, 4, 3 and 3, 4, 5. First digit is greater. This one is greater. So we can write greater than. Here is 15, 15 and both are 15. So that is the equal. 5304 and 5304, it is also equal to 10991, 1009. But in this case, that number is greater. So we can write here greater. 99876, 99786. That means this one is greater number, and that is whole answer. You can put easily on your notebook. Now come to the fourth question. The question number 4, this one. How many times do we use 9 to write the number between 1 to 100? It is 20 times. The answer is 20 times. How many times do we use 9 to write the number between 1 to 100? How can write? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. First line में 9 रहेगा. Now second 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, that is the 19 and 29, 39, 49, 59, 69, 79, 89, 99, 91, 92, 93, 94, 94, 95, 96, 97, 99. You can count, it is 20. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Yes, count once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So 20 times 9 is used from 1 to 100. So correct answer is 90, 20. So correct answer is 20. Now come to the question number 5. That is the question number 5. Find the difference between the greatest 4-digit natural number and the smallest 3-digit natural number. So first of all, you can write greatest 4-digit number. Greatest 4-digit number, that is the 9, 9, 9 and 9. It is the 4 greatest digit number. And the smallest 3-digit number, so smallest 3-digit number is 100 only. The difference, you can take minus sign. 9 minus 0, that is the 9, and 9 minus 0, that is the 9. 9 minus 1, that is 8, and here is 9. That one is your answer. इसका मतलब आपकी एक्सरसाइज फिनिश हो रही है. आपको ये कंप्लीट करना है कॉपी में. बस आज इतना ही रहने देता हूँ मैं. नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज फिर लेंगे।